Good morning. I'm Florence Joy A. Destura, 31 years old, living in Telato, Balanga City, Bataan. I finished my college and my course is BSIT Food Technology, similar to culinary. I'm single, no kids, and I have one sibling. I'm the second. I worked before in Saudi Arabia and Jordan as a domestic helper, total of 4 years. My previous employer is Iraqi and Palestinian, and I served 9 members of the family. One grandfather, mother, father, 6 kids, which is 2 girls and 4 boys. My duties there is to clean their house, wash their clothes, cook their food, and taking care of the children. We are 3 nannies there, 1 Indonesian and 2 Filipina. I'm not scared of dog and cats, and I don't have any surgery. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and I want to save money for buying house and lot. Thank you for choosing me. I promise I do my best to serve your family and I will take care and love them. And please treat me like a part of your family. Thank you very much.